Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Notion and creating a fresh page titled exactly how you want to find it later. For example, Daily Journal. Once done, add an inline database, table, or calendar because databases give structure and query power. Make small visual choices now. An icon and cover help locate the page quickly. You do this first so entries are consistent. Next, create default properties like date, tags, mood, and text. These will let you filter and review patterns over time. Once your database exists, you design the entry experience by creating a template. This saves time and enforces consistency. In that template, add properties: a date field for sorting, select or multi-select for tags, a text or long text area for reflection, and checkboxes for habit tracking. Make sure to set sensible default values like today's date or a common tag. Then arrange the page with headings and callouts so entering thoughts takes seconds. This makes regular journaling sustainable and reviewable. To finish, create several views to match how you'll use the journal: a calendar for scanning dates, a table for exporting CSV, and filtered views for moods or weekly reviews. Once done, add sorts like newest first and save common filters. Use roll-ups or formulas to summarize habit completion or streaks. Make sure to export backups occasionally so data is safe. If entries seem missing, check active filters and view settings first. That often resolves perceived data loss quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.